Just hold on a second, guys. Okay, hello everyone. I'm glad to start this analysis today again. So, as you know, guys, I've submitted the signal for the gold buy. So we're actually having a buy signal at around 12.52. Well, with the spread, it was 12.53. So basically, at this price, we had a buy signal, and now we will be doing analysis basically to understand the idea behind it. So let's get started. Probably with well, yeah, we will go with gold first. Okay, what we can see clearly is that the trend is up here. Okay, and as usual, we are going in the direction of the trend. So I'm looking for the continuation of the trend, not long. It's a short term. So to see whether we are holding some support resistances, we will be drawing the trend line. Okay, I'll probably make it 1 hour chart. So this is the downtrend trend line. I'm here. I'm actually looking to have a price. No, I will probably go with a 4-hour chart actually. Yeah, because here it's not that clear on 4-hour chart. Yeah, it's much more clear here. It's an uptrend. Okay, so we are taking this highest point, and now I'm looking for the trend line to touch as many points as possible. It's not the regular way that you will see how people using trend lines, but this is how I like it. Basically, we can see we are touching a lot of points. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, this seems like a valid trend line. Just looking by the number of rejections of this trend line, and here you can see also it was rejected. So we need a breakout point of this trend line to mark. I'll zoom it in as much as possible so we have a nice and clean breakout point. So it was broken right there. Okay, so we have the breakout point, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the Fibonacci from the bottom to the breakout, so the 50% number stays on our breakout line. For the ease, you can see 50% is here. Okay, so it's 100, 0. Now we see this resistance line has been broken, so we can extend it the same way, but applying this time 50 to our 0%. So just extending further. I hope it's clear. If not, guys, I am doing education with all of this, how correctly to draw that. And yet again, look, we had the breakout, so we can extend it further and see what happens. Again, 50%, we're putting back at the previous, where the zero was. This previous Fibonacci we're deleting. Now let's have a look. The nearest target now for us remains at around 1266, and here we can see the price didn't touch it. It was close, but yet it's still to come and touch it, either reject or break as previous levels of resistance. So we're now looking for the nearest target at around 1266. Now let's go to the low time frame. Let's now forget about this for time being. Okay, I'm gonna use 1 hour time frame. Probably it's the most common one for everyone. So now I will be drawing simple trend line as well to see what happens. Same as previously, we're just taking the highest point. Okay, we're trying to touch all these lines. So this is our trend line. I guys also teach how to draw the trend lines my way. I'm not saying it's correct or incorrect, but this is something that works for me. That's all I'm saying. Okay, and we have a breakout at this level of the trend line. So I'm gonna put it there. We're going back to the candlestick chart. And again applying our fibs. 50%. You see this level has been broken, this resistance. So we can expect market to go further up, and the nearest target is here. But let it extend it as we usually do. Okay. So what we have now is levels of resistance again. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is apply Fibonacci to this corrective wave here. Okay, where you can see the trend line has been rejected. 161. Okay, so what we see is that these two levels correspond with each other. So basically they are making a very nice resistance area at 1264. And this is the level I'm actually targeting when I'm actually bought gold just now at this price. Basically this is the price to buy it at 53. Our entry price was 1253. And now let's look on the moving averages. I have 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving averages. What happened today is that gold rejected the 200 moving average. Clearly you can see there was a rejection, and prior to that you can see market broke below, but today it broke above, and this is the price where it broke above. You can see, and this is exactly where the market rejected the 200 moving average again, and this is where it rejected the trend line. Let's have a look at the higher time frame. Well, 4 hours is the same. We have a rejection here. Daily. On daily market is trading above both moving averages, so it's clearly an uptrend. So this is something what we can expect the price to go up and test the area between 63 and 66. So basically this is our target zone, but I'm just targeting the nearest possible area level just in case. So I'm targeting actually the 63. My target is 63 here on the upside, so my entry, and I expect the price to hit the target within the next 3 days maximum. So this should be I'd say that the market will be doing something like that, because tomorrow it easily can stay around the same price level, maybe even go slightly below this area. We might even go like that, but overall after that it should be like that. Now also we can see if we can apply some trend lines here on gold. Well, kind of like that. You can see also rejection. So it looks like a triangle basically, which has been broken to the upside. So we can expect a very nice swing up. It could be very fast. We could reach the target even tomorrow. But overall, I don't expect it to go longer than 3 days. Maybe day after tomorrow we will be at the target. I'm not looking for a long-term trends. This is just probably market will form some sort of a double top here and might correct back or even reverse down. So yeah, this is the trend we're trend following, basically minimizing the risk. We can expect some correction down. I really doubt it will go anywhere near this point, 1244, which is a massive support. Basically, if it goes, this idea definitely is invalidated, but overall it should be pretty fast growth on the gold. So guys, I invite you to join my group on Facebook. See my live trading idea, which is posted down below in the description. Visit my website. All the ideas here are posted live. There is also performance results you can see on the ideas I post. This is the last 3 ideas also. You can watch them all. Previous video analysis, you can also see that on my channel. So basically all information is available there for you, and we will get back to this idea next time. But yeah, you can see all my ideas, video analysis, which I'm giving on Mondays, all last 3 Mondays. You can see them by dates. They're all published. You can click play on any idea. Basically, if you click on it, for example, the last idea was Frank. You can see we have the video here for Frank. So yeah, if you click it, you basically have to click the play button to see what happened. This is where we entered the trade. Actually, it was there, but I expected some correction up here. This was the actual entry price. So this was the sell, and this was my target. So yeah, this is how it worked out. Well, you can check it out. Cable also. We had a short here. It was pretty fast. Target hit and reverse. So yeah, it worked. New Zealand, I think, took some time, but it did something very similar. So here was entry, yeah, and here is our target. So also you can see our trades are working out pretty fast. So it's not like you have to wait for weeks, but yeah, it's just a fast decline or rise of the chosen pair. So we're giving very high probability trades here, and providing quite a nice results. But please keep in mind, this is not a recommendation to buy and sell. This is just analysis for you. Trade at your own risk. Make sure you follow the money management rules, and basically don't risk too much. This is not a trade recommendation, but just idea and the way I analyze the market. So thank you for coming. If you like it, please do vote and subscribe. Put likes if you like it. If you don't, put dislike. Just so I know what's happening. And we will see you next week at the same time. So I'm doing Mondays analysis. I kind of like it, doing my analysis on weekends and then starting trading Monday. So I'm doing one trade per week usually. I think it's pretty enough, but I'm trying to do a very, very good standard trades, good high probability trades, very good picks. I try to do that, and we'll see how it goes. So enjoy, and see you in just 1 week. Take care, guys. See you later.